everyone. Again, sorry for the silent video, but I thought I'd throw a little bonus footage in to the very short video that you just saw. It wasn't planned, but I thought it would be better than nothing. I'm currently 9 months pregnant. Look at this guy. It is time to go. I am over being pregnant and ready to put this little guy in his nursery, which I'm about to share with you. I'm a little mad that the new iPhone doesn't have the option to like record and then hit the button for it to flip so that I can show you, but I am going to figure out how to do this. Just gonna start by walking through the door and apologizing because I am so out of breath being 9 months pregnant. We also live on the main street near a Harley Davidson store, so you might hear a lot of street traffic. Starting on this side, we have a bookshelf, probably the only used piece of furniture in this whole entire room because the kid has better furniture than we do, and it's temporary because books don't even fit in it right. We need a proper bookshelf, but this book right here, my friend Heather got off our registry, and I am so excited to read that to him. Coolest book ever. The theme of the nursery are knights and dragons, so you will see lots of those. Big closets. Kid has lots of closet space, and I don't even know how to go about organizing it. I will get there eventually. I think I need to get a little shelf put in here. I put these little motion activated lights. I didn't think I'd get any hangers for the baby shower, and I don't even know what to put on them. I have so many hangers. So pretty empty on that side. And then on this side, also not much going on. Look how cute that is. Yeah, my kid's gonna hate me when he grows up. Except a lifetime supply of diapers. At least I hope it's a good start of diapers. I don't even know how many diapers is enough diapers. Old floors in this house and non-functioning fireplaces. But I do love this little mantle. The color of the room was already this mint, and I just chose the tan color, and then these little dragons just matched it so perfectly, and I just left the mint color on purpose. Nice little green shag rugs. He's got his own little rocking chair, his bouncer. Cannot wait to rock him in this glider. My little sister made him this blanket, which was too cool because it is so hard to find anything dragon nurseries. My friend Gwen, she's very good at scrapbooking. She makes me scrapbooks for my wedding. She made them for work. Bawled my eyes out when I opened this because she started it off with like the IVF journey when he was a little teeny tiny embryo to pregnancy and maternity shoot, and eventually when he gets here we will pick up and add to it. Oops, guest book from the baby shower. So just thought that's so cute. I'm in love. Lots of nooks and crannies in this house, like this random cabinet, which is going to be great for storage. Over here we have the changing area. I don't do well with bodily fluids, so it's going to be gagging while trying to change this kid's diaper. Hopefully I have everything I need on this genius diaper changing cart. All his stuffed animals are up here. This doesn't even match dragons, but it's just too cute. I tried to find ways to organize baby stuff. Like all his bibs are in here, and this kid has more bibs than I'm sure he's ever going to need, unless he's going to be a drooler, and it's, you know, the world's trying to tell me something. Burp cloths, lots of pacifiers as well. And then on the clothes, I try to do like 0 to 3 months here. He's got bassinet and crib sheets there, little diaper pail. This is really cool. This is a ball pit, yet it kind of grows with him. So inside that little sloth are a whole bunch of play plastic balls that you can throw in there and eventually grow into using that. Random bathroom. stand-up shower. No use for baby, but there are lots of bathrooms in this house. We've got all his toys going in this little basket here. And then hats, wet bags, socks. I can't even keep track of my socks. I don't know how I'm gonna keep track of these guys' socks because they're just so tiny. And his little shoes. Lots of dinosaurs too. There's a fine line between dinosaurs and dragons, but dinosaurs are a little more popular. Swaddles. And then I haven't washed any of this stuff yet since he isn't going to need it right away. But this is like 3 to 6 months, and then we've got like 6 to 9 and 12 to 18, which he has the most of. Door goes out to the hallway, but I'm not going to give you a tour of the house, just the nursery for right now. Diaper bag is not packed, but I threw and shoved some stuff in there that I thought were supposed to go in there. We'll learn. Laundry basket. This is called a sit me up, which I hear a lot of good things about, so excited to use that. But this is the main attraction, the crib, okay? And all of the handmade things that I've tried to make, like this blanket. Don't look at it too close. My sewing skills are mediocre. But this is the print I wanted. This is what I wanted to base the room around. Yeah, the mobile that I haven't quite finished yet. I started it with good intentions and realized, I don't know, I lost initiative. I need to add some more dragons to it and some stars and a moon, and eventually it'll be done. These I bought off a store located in Ireland and on Etsy called Blueberry, and I absolutely love them. They're so cute. I still need to find a whole bunch of more things to hang on these nursery walls, but for now it's a start. So yeah, lots of stuffed animals, kid, lots of stuffed animals. So that is it. I hope everyone is doing well, and hopefully this little guy will be arriving soon, very shortly, and I can actually put him in here. I hope everyone is doing well, and thank you all for the well wishes and good thoughts. I appreciate it.